What's the real story behind Kraken? You see their ads, you hear the name, but what's it actually like to use the platform every day? You know, the good, the bad, the a little bit scary? We're not talking about official company statements or paid reviews. We're diving deep into the raw, unfiltered opinions from the front lines of crypto trading, Reddit. We scoured the subreddits to find out what real users are saying about Kraken. And the feedback is, a lot. Let's start with the positives. Many users praise Kraken for its security. I use it since 10 years, never had any issues, one user wrote. As far as I know, one of the few which never got hacked. This sentiment is echoed by others who appreciate the security features and the company's commitment to proof of reserves. Many also mention the platform's user interface, with one comment saying it's beautiful and intuitive, especially the Kraken Pro version. And the fees? Many agree that when using Kraken Pro, the fees are competitive and reasonable. Another consistent positive is the speed of transactions, with a user saying, fastest withdrawals in the business, as far as I've experienced. But, as with any platform, there's another side. The most frequent and intense complaints revolve around one thing: customer support. One user's experience sums it up: I am waiting for 12+ hours to be replied on question about why is their charts not moving. Another described the support desk as completely unresponsive, with tickets sitting for months. Then there are the more serious issues. Several users have reported their accounts being closed without warning, with funds locked and no explanation given. One user wrote, I recently noticed my account had the following label: Services Limited. No such email was ever sent to me. There is crypto sitting in this account. They went on to say Kraken was holding my money hostage with no avenue for a resolution. While Kraken's support team on Reddit sometimes responds to these posts, the fact that they happen at all is a major red flag for many. And finally, a couple of common but annoying complaints. Some users find the standard Kraken platform's fees to be high, and others have experienced technical glitches like slow-to-update charts or the web page crashing during critical moments, causing them to miss trades. So what's the takeaway? Kraken has a reputation for strong security and a great professional trading platform in Kraken Pro. But a significant number of users have experienced frustrating, and in some cases, terrifying issues with customer support and account access. As one user put it, you won't have a problem until there is a problem, but the amount of people who are having severe problems with Kraken are piling up, it seems. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.